In today's video, I am going to teach you how to debug JavaScript in Google Chrome. Start by opening Google Chrome. Once Chrome is open, navigate to the web page you want to debug. This can be a site you are building locally or any page where you want to understand what the JavaScript is doing. When the page finishes loading, right-click anywhere on the page. A context menu will appear. At the bottom of that menu, select Inspect. This opens Chrome DevTools, which is the built-in set of tools for inspecting and debugging web pages. DevTools may open docked to the side or bottom of the browser, or in a separate window, depending on your setup. At the top of the DevTools panel, click the Sources tab. The Sources area is where you can view files loaded by the page and debug JavaScript as it runs. On the left side, locate the File Navigator. This is the sidebar that lists folders and files associated with the current page. If the list looks long, take a moment to visually scan it until you find the JavaScript file you want to examine. Click the JavaScript file you want to inspect. The code will open in the main editor area. From here, find the exact line of code where you want execution to pause. It helps to look for the function or section related to the issue you are investigating. To set a breakpoint, click the line number on the far left of that line. You should see the line highlight indicating the breakpoint is active. A breakpoint tells Chrome to stop running your code at that point, so you can examine what is happening. Now refresh the page to trigger the debugger. Reloading causes the scripts to run again from the beginning, and when the code reaches your breakpoint, it will pause. You will see execution stop on the highlighted line in the Sources panel. To move through the code carefully, click the Step Over icon in the top right area of DevTools. It usually looks like a curved arrow. Each click advances to the next line, letting you follow the flow of execution one line at a time, while the page is paused. That covers everything you need to know.